We begin this bulletin with big breaking news coming in from Maharashtra. It seems in Mumbai, finally the protesters of the Maratha quota agitation are being removed from certain areas. The cops have started taking action against these quota protesters who've been camping in Mumbai since last Friday. On your screens, you can see these protesters have been there for a while, and their leader, Jarange Patil, has dug in his heels. He has clearly stated that he will not budge from this area, but the Bombay High Court had clearly stated that they have to clear Azad Maidan as well by 3 p.m. It's already 3 p.m. and it is expected that some sort of an action might happen. They were given time to clear Azad Maidan as well, but they have dug in their heels. They've said that they will continue to be at Azad Maidan till they have heard. Remember, they are protesting for Maratha reservation. The police are there. They're trying to evict them. In certain areas, they've already started taking action. They're removing some LCD screens that were put up. On your screens, you can see the visuals of the protesters as they landed in Mumbai on Friday from various areas of Maharashtra, demanding a quota reservation for Marathas, an issue which is fraught with constitutional challenges and legal challenges. But they're demanding this quota, and the government has been now huddling, undertaking many meetings, trying to find out a solution to this. On your screens now, you see the leader, Manoj Jarange Patil. He's the man who's leading this protest. He's been demanding this quota, and he even started a fast. Yesterday, he even claimed that if not given this quota, he will give up water as well. Although the situation in Mumbai is better than the last few days. A few days ago, we saw as the people started milling into Mumbai via road, train, every possible way of transport. Mumbai's roads were chock-a-block with traffic, with protesters blocking many roads and then later stopping cars and taxis and trucks as well, arguing. But later, in a few days, that was sorted, and today they were largely restricted to the Azad Maidan in Mumbai and the road in front of it. But now it seems the deadline that was given to them, 3 p.m. by the Bombay High Court, that has now come to pass. Will they move out? Will they give up their agitation? That's the big question. Clearly, a big tussle there between the Mumbai cops and Manoj Jarange there on your screens as you see he sits down for a fast.